Why reading books make you smarter. Reading books is one of the best ways to learn new things and improve your mind. When you read, your brain becomes more active and focused, which helps you think more clearly. Books give you access to knowledge from people all over the world and from different times in history. Every story or fact you read adds something new to your understanding of life. Reading also improves your vocabulary, so you can express your thoughts better. The more you read, the more confident and intelligent you become in conversations and decisions. Books help you discover new ideas and points of view that you may never have thought about before. When you read stories, you can imagine yourself in different situations and learn how other people feel. This helps you become more creative and empathetic toward others. Reading teaches you about different cultures, lifestyles, and experiences, making you wiser about the world. It also helps your memory and focus, because you need to remember characters and events. By reading often, you train your brain just like exercising your body. Another reason reading makes you smarter is that it improves your problem-solving skills. Many books show how people face difficulties and find clever solutions. When you read these stories, your mind learns to think in different ways. You start connecting ideas and finding answers faster. Reading also helps you stay calm and focused, which is very important when studying or working. A person who reads often is usually better at understanding complex ideas. Finally, reading books is a great habit that helps you grow every day. It can entertain you, educate you, and inspire you at the same time. Even reading for just a few minutes each day can make a big difference in your knowledge. People who love reading never stop learning new things, no matter their age. Books open doors to endless possibilities and help you make smarter choices in life. So, if you want to become wiser, start reading more books today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.